Hey everyone! Get ready for fiery explosions and nature's fury. From cars blazing like fireworks to landslides smashing homes like a Hollywood scene. Just a heads up, this is for fun, and a tiny reality check. In real life, safety should be the only thing that goes full blast. Several families had to evacuate in panic, children screaming from the blasts and thick smoke. No one expected such a facility to be so close to a residential area without any warning.
Holy sh**. Yeah, we're moving. Oh my God.
When there's fire, you put it out, right? Who would have thought pouring water on gasoline would crank up the damage? No clue how much the event cost to pull off, but that explosion, just like that, 7,670 pounds sterling, 0 pence in fines, gone.
Obviously, that was like the end of the Granada meeting a few months back. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
He's in 34 and
Well, we weren't quite the biggest bang, but obviously...
Flammable liquid falling freely into a plastic bag creates static electricity, just enough to ignite a fire. Tire inflation gone wrong. A simple pump session turned chaotic when the tire went berserk.
قصف جديد يا شباب، قصف جديد ما بنهيئة الأركان خالص. قصف جديد يا شباب، قصف، خذونا بسرعة بسرعة.
الله أكبر! الله أكبر!
I just wanted to sit peacefully in my mold. Next thing I know, I'm liberated right in the middle of the factory floor.
Ó, fogo no caminhão agora. Fogo no caminhão agora. Agora, rapaziada, agora aqui, ó.
A thunderous blast shook the whole area. Flames and smoke shot skyward, sending everyone at the station into a frenzy.
Vem pra cá, vem pra cá, vem pra cá, filho. Vem pra cá.
Old school tools. Haven't seen kids use me in a century. And now they're screaming louder than the mortar pounding away. Quite the experience. When men enter the kitchen. A massive explosion at a gas station proves one tiny spark is all it takes for disaster. Reminder, with fuel, there's no room for mistakes.
Oh, whoa. No life. Oh no.
Every year we torch the pine tree to kick off summer. This year we torched the brand new tiki bar too.
Hose will get that
Nice. Get her phone, get her phone.
If your EV's been flooded with seawater, do not charge or start it. Contact the manufacturer or a professional EV response team.
Oh, 操，真牛逼的风！
Neighbor, I just heard a loud boom. Thought the folks next door had won the lottery and were celebrating too hard. Not an action movie, but that explosion looked like a blockbuster trailer. Fireworks are for fun, not for turning the party into a fire drill. Always double check direction and safe distance. Small body, big action. Thanks to a timely shout, the whole family escaped danger in the nick of time. After the wildfire comes the flood. Every disaster leaves a consequence if we fail to heal the land in time. What happened in Rio Doce was a clear message. Adapting to climate change is no longer optional. It's necessary for survival. Floods don't knock. Early warning and timely evacuation are the only ways to protect what matters.
都已经上了，现在推的，在播吗？
我的心脏，这冰箱爆炸，怎么会呢？
Most likely a lightning strike. Nature's way of testing an in-wall barbecue. Combining fireworks with balloons? Guess who ended up joining the party? The fire department. No casualties, but the economic damage and the damage to public trust is no small thing. Safety is never a small matter. Mixing fireworks with balloons? Who knew you'd also be inviting the fire department to join the show? Floods don't knock. Early warnings and timely evacuation are the only ways to protect lives and property. A water pipe bursts right in the middle of the street. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but it's a clear warning about urban infrastructure decay. Once again, the question of construction accountability returns, after too many have already paid the price.
I will first try the way to get our position, so I will take the full aim for GPS so that I can see it from there. I will just take some point like this point here.
Publicity stunts like this only escalate tensions at sea, and ordinary people are the ones who suffer most. Want a structure that lasts? Build it with integrity, not with cement and envelopes. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.